another edition of Southern US cooking. We have étouffée. Étouffée is a French influenced dish. The difference between étouffée and gumbo is more like a soup. Étouffée is served a little thicker. The other thing is gumbo can have multiple meats or seafood or a mixture of both. With an étouffée, you either have one type of protein. So we're going to do a shrimp étouffée today. By the way, today is Thursday, week 15. So for the étouffée, what we need is we need to build a roux. So we need a brown roux. So we have some flour here and olive oil. We have vegetables, onions, celery and bell pepper. And we have some garlic. For garnishing, we have parsley and green onions. For hot sauce, we have some Tabasco. And then this is a mixture of spices, so Cajun spices, and then we have celery seed, a little bit of cayenne pepper, smoked paprika. No, we are using Spanish paprika, which is a little sweeter for this blend. We have shrimps here, which is about 2 pounds of shrimps, and we have some seafood stock, which will need about 2.5 cups to 3 cups. Most probably around 2.5 cups, so we'll see. So first we'll build the roux, and then we'll cook the vegetables and the seafood. So let's start cooking. We have a pan heating over medium heat. So we'll add the olive oil. So this is 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then we have 1/4 cup of flour. So the oil to flour is equal. And then we'll keep stirring in to make sure that there are no lumps, and we'll keep cooking it. So this should take about 10 minutes. Make sure there are no lumps. So keep stirring it to incorporate the flour to the oil. You can use butter as well, but today we are using oil. So we'll let this cook for 10 minutes till it's brown, and then we'll add the vegetables. Roux has turned an amber color, as you can see. So we'll add the vegetables. So that's celery, bell pepper and onions, which is also called the Trinity. So when you have bell pepper instead of carrot, you go from mirepoix to a Trinity. So I have a low to medium high heat. Because this is cast iron pan, you can see that it is holding the heat really well. So we'll add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. We'll let it sweat for a couple of minutes. So we'll add the garlic. So I'm using pickled garlic instead of regular garlic. So we'll give it a little bit of time, not too much, just a little bit. Garlic has been there for about 30 seconds. So we'll add the spice mix. In some recipes you'll see they add the spice mix after they add the liquid. I like the spice mix to bloom a little bit in the oil. So that's why I add it before I add the liquid. So, you know, if you want to add it after, that's fine too. We'll add 3 cups of water, but we'll do it slowly. As we go, we will make sure that there are no lumps and everything mixes well. That's 1 cup. Now you can add it more quickly just because, you know, we have already mixed in 1 cup of liquid. So it's much easier now and it won't form lumps. So that's 3 cups. We'll bring it up to a boil. We'll taste it. A little bit of salt. We'll add some hot sauce to this. Then you can add as much or as little as you want, depending on, you know, the heat level that you would want. So let's taste it once more. Yeah, I think I like the heat level there. Stock has come to a boil. By the way, we put stock instead of water that I said. So this has come to a boil. We'll add the shrimp in here. So this is about 2 pounds of shrimp. We'll wait for it to come back to a boil, and then we'll lower the heat and cook it for about, we'll check it at around 7 minutes, but we should cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. We'll lower the heat to my lowest setting and cover it and cook it for 7 minutes. Let's see the shrimp. This is cooked. We'll serve it now. Shrimp étouffée is ready. So we garnished it with a little bit of green onions and some parsley. And then to finish it off, I have a little bit of homemade shrimp oil. So we just pour a little bit of that. It gives a very beautiful flavor to the dish. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bon appetit and see you tomorrow.